The Genie professional line operators should only be installed and serviced by trained professional installers and technicians, following the safety requirements and guidelines as described in the manual. Installing remote power supply kit onto residential wall mount operator. Pro tip before getting started, it is highly advised that this adapter kit be added before installing operator. If operator is currently installed, please watch the following on preparing the operator for adapter kit installation. If operator is not currently installed to door shaft, you may fast forward to the 1 minute 10-second mark to begin installation. Close the door. If unable to lower door using the opener, use extreme caution manually closing the door. If the unit is plugged in, unplug opener power cord from power receptacle. Remove battery backup from power head if equipped, or the bottom tray cover. Unplug the battery backup if equipped, and door lock harness from bottom of power head. Remove wall control if equipped, and safety beam wires from terminal block. Pro tip: use a small common screwdriver to press in on orange tabs while gently pulling wires from block. Mark wires to help facilitate replacement. Pull bottom of cover outward slightly and lift up to release cover assembly from upper mounting clips. Unplug the following harnesses from main board in the following order. Notate harness direction and location. Transformer harness, APE or travel limit harness, and the motor wires. Set cover assembly aside. Remove and retain the 2 screws from the bottom panel securing transformer. Unplug transformer harness from power input cable. Remove transformer from opener. Remove power cord green ground screw from chassis. Squeeze strain relief with pliers and remove strain relief and original power cord from opener chassis. Install mounting feet to control box with supplied hardware. Mount low voltage power supply enclosure within 3 feet of a grounded 120 volt AC power outlet and up to 28 feet from the opener using supplied brackets and screws. Do not plug into a 120 volt outlet at this time. Install low voltage power supply cable through supplied strain relief into chassis. Secure green ground wire from replacement 4-wire low voltage harness to chassis using green ground screw removed in step 10. Install low voltage power supply board assembly into chassis using transformer mounting points with screws removed in step 8. Plug low voltage power supply cable connector into low voltage power supply board. Ensure input power cable and connections do not interfere with internal moving components. Plug motor wires and APE or travel limit harness into main control board. Plug replacement 4-wire harness into main control board where transformer harness was removed. Care must be taken to ensure each harness plug is inserted in the correct location and direction. Severe damage can occur if installed improperly. Install cover assembly to chassis. Do not apply power at this time. Continue installation following installation/owner's manual. If installing on pre-installed opener, install all external wiring removed in step 3. Install battery backup if equipped, or bottom tray cover. Plug low voltage power supply into 120 volt AC power supply. And perform all safety checks per owner's manual, including force adjustment and contact reversal test. Still stuck? Then contact our technical team. The Genie technical team for the garage door professional can be reached at 800-843-4084, option 3 for residential. They're available Monday through Friday, 8 a.m. to 7 p.m. Eastern Standard Time.